I'm Desiree Dubonnet, and I'm going to be talking to you about tinnitus, or tinnitus, a lot of different ways. But what it is, ringing in the ears, noises that are not coming from the outside, but coming from inside. Start with a video to be able to help you to experience what frequency your tinnitus is at. And we're going to be playing a little bit of a notched video, white noise. Here's white noise for you. Now here's a notched white noise. In other words, we take the white noise and take out a certain frequency range. You see that notch. Now here's the actual frequency that was in that notch. By you going through the different notches and finding out which is the actual frequency, is going to help us to not only diagnose and treat your tinnitus better, but it's also going to help you to understand your tinnitus better. In a few, we will start the notching at 1,000 hertz and then increase by 500 hertz. You'll get a chance to then test, go back, stop, start, go back, and be able to find out which frequency matches your tinnitus. This is an experiential, very much experience for you to experience your tinnitus and find out what the frequencies. This is changing from time to time, from month to month, often from day to day, but oftentimes very little. And as we get into exploring the frequencies, we're going to find out why some of the frequencies. we're going to find out that there are frequencies for sugar. If you get too much sugar, if you have problems with insulin resistance, etc., this can create an inflammation which can aggravate or cause tinnitus. Also, problems with the gallbladder, problems with the pancreas, problems with muscular stress, TMJ, adjustment of the neck, blood flow, all different types of things, psychological disturbances, different types of medication. Medication can cause this. Lack of sleep, lack of good nutrition. As we understand more and more about the frequencies, we're going to be able to treat your tinnitus better and increase your ability to reduce it. Because tinnitus is something everybody has a little bit of, but most people ignore it. The human ear is so sensitive, so incredibly sensitive. It's the one part of the entire body when the mother's carrying the baby during the gestation. The human ear is involved longer than any other. Almost the entire 9 months, the human ear is developing because it's so sensitive. It is sensitive to sounds, to vibrations.